Welcome back to Lemon Cone, where we bring easy and delicious recipes. Today, get ready to roll into spring with the mouth-watering spring rolls. Let's dive right in. In a pan, heat some oil and add garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Then toss in a boiled shredded chicken that has been boiled to perfection with salt and black pepper. Add in a colorful julienne cut, carrots, cabbage, and capsicum. Now let's amp up the flavor with salt, black pepper, chicken powder, soy sauce, and chili sauce. Keep the flame high to maintain the delightful crunch in our veggies. Now turn off the flame, finally sprinkle in some chopped green onions. Let it cool down. While our filling cools, let's prepare the slurry with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of water. This will act as our glue for sealing the rolls. Now it's assembling time. Place a spring roll sheet diagonally, spoon in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of savory mixture and roll it up tightly, closing from both sides. And brush the last part with the flour mixture to keep everything in place. Once assembled, let's fry these beauties in hot oil over medium-low heat until they turn golden brown and irresistibly crispy. Now to add an extra touch of flavor, let's quickly prepare a special sweet and sour dip to complement our spring rolls. But before that, here's a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Ring the bell for more delicious updates. Back to the sauce recipe. In a pan, take some water and add sugar, chili garlic sauce, and white vinegar. Mix them well until sugar dissolves completely. Then incorporate a slurry made of 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of water to achieve a perfect thickness. And there you have it, our crispy and flavorful spring rolls are ready to steal the show. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. And remember, we always appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching Lemon Cone. See you in the next video. Until then, keep cooking, keep smiling.